Welcome to Time and Money, Schedule and Cost. This presentation will guide you through mastering project management essentials. Let's explore how to effectively manage schedules and costs to ensure project success. Our agenda includes 6 key topics: foundations, activity planning, estimation methods, reserves and scheduling, cost management, and closure. Each section builds on the last to provide a comprehensive understanding of project management. The work breakdown structure, WBS, outlines what to build. Now we address when it will be completed and at what cost. These elements form the backbone of our project, transforming work packages into a schedule and budget. The interlocking triangle represents the triple constraint: scope, time, and cost. Adjusting one element necessitates changes in the others, maintaining a delicate balance to ensure project quality. Activity definition is the first phase of activity planning. We transition from nouns to verbs, converting work packages into detailed activities. This step is crucial for building an effective schedule. Sequencing activities is essential. It involves identifying dependencies, ensuring tasks are completed in the correct order. For example, you must hang drywall before painting the wall. Estimating is more art than science, influenced by human factors. Our goal is to provide honest and realistic estimates, avoiding the temptation to satisfy stakeholders with unrealistic numbers. Expert judgment is a straightforward estimation method. By consulting experienced individuals, we gain insights into task durations. However, it's crucial that experts remain objective and unbiased. Analogous estimation uses historical data from similar projects. It's a quick and cost-effective method, though less precise due to the unique nature of each project. Parametric estimation relies on statistical relationships. By multiplying quantities by unit rates, we achieve more accurate estimates, provided the unit rate is reliable. 3-point estimates offer a safety net by considering optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic scenarios. This method provides a statistically weighted average, promoting realism. Reserves act as safety buffers. Contingency reserves address known risks, while management reserves cover unknowns. Both are essential for handling unexpected challenges. From activity estimates, we develop the project schedule. The critical path is the longest sequence of activities, indicating the shortest completion time. Delays here affect the entire project. The schedule baseline is the approved project schedule. Once set, it serves as a reference point for execution, with changes managed through integrated change control. Cost management mirrors schedule management. It involves estimating costs, using the same work packages and methods, ensuring financial resources align with project needs. Understanding direct and indirect costs is vital. Direct costs are directly tied to the project, while indirect costs, like utilities, support overall operations. Both must be accounted for. Cost aggregation builds the budget from the bottom up. By summing work package costs and reserves, we establish the cost baseline, the maximum authorized spending. The cost baseline is the planned spending curve. It helps determine funding requirements, ensuring resources are available when needed. Funding should slightly exceed the baseline to cover reserves. The planning cycle is iterative. Rarely perfect on the first attempt, it requires revisiting scope, schedule, and cost until alignment is achieved. Iteration is key to successful planning. Next steps involve solidifying quality, resources, and risk management. With baselines set, we focus on refining the plan to ensure comprehensive project success.